Thundy, say hi. Thunder. She's not interested at all in the vlog. Hey, Mama. This is my pit bull. She is anywhere from 17 to 21 years old because she was rescued, and that was in 2006. She's still going strong, and they told us that she was possibly 4 years old, but who actually knows? So here she is. She's old, she's tired, but she's still getting in her little walks. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, and I'm currently walking my dog before I need to leave for my vendors market at a Ragamuffins coffee house. So it's a beautiful day, as you can see. This is my outfit. I got this little thrifted top, these thrifted little shorts, and my thrifted sandals. I don't know if you saw the sandals, but if you didn't, imagine that they are red. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Very excited to go to this vendor market. I've never vended there, although I do go to this coffee shop. I think I started going there in like 2017 or 2018 when I was a teacher and when I was in school at IIN doing my holistic health coaching certification. So I would go there and just like grab a snack, get some coffee, sit down, do a lot of my modules and computer work and stuff, and wait till my teaching shift started. So yeah, I reached out to them, asked them if I could rent their community room, and they said it was cool. So I paid for that, and then I contracted other vendors to split the payment with me. And yeah, they do a lot of events at this coffee house. So hopefully this does very well, and then we can continue to do more. All right, I'll see you guys later. Oh my god. So back home from the pop-up event that I hosted at that coffee shop. Unfortunately, it was not all that. I don't think it was really advertised well by the coffee shop. I like blasted it all over social media, and they also did that too, but like when it came to the actual day and then the location, they had like one tiny like 6-inch sign, and that's pretty much it. The people who worked there were kind of like teenagers, so I don't think they really cared about the event, so they weren't really saying much to the customers when they would come. And since we were in the basement, they couldn't really see us. But when we would go upstairs, it was popping up there, so it was a lot of people, and it was just like, I don't know, I guess nobody really knew what was going on or anything like that. I'm not sure. But I definitely will not be hosting one there again, unfortunately. But that's the way the business goes. So at least I know for the future. gonna eat some coffee. Yeah. ¿Te gusta o no? Are you making a mess? Yeah? Okay. So excuse my bird hair. We just woke up. I've never been to this place. It's called the Human Bean. It was a drive-through coffee shop. So, and I got the Mexi Mocha, which is I think cacao, cinnamon, and then some undisclosed spices. They also put like a little chocolate egg, like espresso egg on top, where you where the hole is for your drink so that it wouldn't spill, and it was so yummy. I ate it already. And I got 2 pup cups for these guys. Hopefully you guys saw some of that. You guys are acting crazy. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, I'll see you guys later. So as you can see, we finally moved those tables, and then I rebuilt this guy yesterday so I can actually use it. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my waffles. I made elderberry banana waffles. Yeah, and I use a little bit of agave and elderberry syrup at the end. So I'm gonna enjoy that, and then I have my iced coffee right here. So I wanted a little afternoon pick-me-up, so I decided to make myself an herbal tea. I steeped Damiana, Blue Lotus, and butterfly pea together for about 10 minutes and just pouring that in. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of coconut milk to add a little more sweetness, and mix that all together, and then just have it with my cookies and enjoy some self-care. I'm gonna watch my show and do my nails. So I think in a previous vlog I showed myself starting to read this book, and I'm actually really enjoying it. It's kind of like a workbook also at the same time, and so just showing you some of the things that I've done and parts that I've read already, and it's been actually really nice. It's been very reflective and allowed me to be very introspective and do some inner healing, some shadow work, as well as kind of tap into the lighter and more positive, loving side towards healing, instead of just like pain all the time and kind of going through all of that stuff. So it's been really nice. I highly recommend it. So I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You can switch on your notifications so you know when I post my video on Wednesdays every week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.